Are you tired of constantly battling pet hair that seems to have a life of its own? Say goodbye to frustration and hello to a cleaner, happier home with the BISSELL PowerGlide Pet Slim corded vacuum. This innovative cleaning powerhouse is engineered to tackle pet hair and messes with ease, leaving your home spotless and your furry friends happy. Let's delve into why this vacuum is a game changer for pet owners and anyone seeking effortless cleaning solutions. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications and order yours to start cleaning your home like a pro. Every purchase makes a difference. Imagine being able to keep your home clean while also making a positive impact on the lives of homeless pets. With the BISSELL PowerGlide Pet Slim corded vacuum, you can do just that. BISSELL proudly supports the BISSELL Pet Foundation and its mission to help save homeless pets. So every time you purchase a BISSELL product, you're not just investing in quality cleaning equipment, you're also contributing to a cause that's close to our hearts. Lightweight yet mighty, don't let its slim profile fool you. This vacuum is a powerhouse when it comes to suction power. Weighing less than 10 pounds, the BISSELL PowerGlide Pet Slim corded vacuum combines lightweight design with powerful suction to effortlessly pick up pet hair, dirt, and debris from carpets, rugs, and hard floors. Say goodbye to bulky, heavy vacuums that strain your muscles and make cleaning feel like a chore. With this lightweight yet mighty machine, cleaning becomes a breeze. Say goodbye to tangled hair woes. Pet hair can be a nightmare to clean, especially when it gets tangled around the brushes of your vacuum. But with the BISSELL PowerGlide Pet Slim corded vacuum, that's a problem of the past. Engineered with a patented Tangle-Free Brush Roll, this vacuum is designed to eliminate annoying hair wrap, ensuring smooth, hassle-free cleaning every time. Say goodbye to untangling hair from your vacuum and hello to a cleaner, happier home. Versatility at your fingertips. From floors to ceilings and everything in between, the BISSELL PowerGlide Pet Slim corded vacuum does it all. With its 3-in-1 capabilities, this vacuum easily transforms from a stick vacuum to a handheld or high-reach vacuum, allowing you to clean every nook and cranny with ease. Whether you're tackling upholstery, stairs, or hard-to-reach places, the included crevice tool and dusting brush have you covered. Stress-free maintenance. Cleaning shouldn't be a hassle, and with the BISSELL PowerGlide Pet Slim corded vacuum, it isn't. Featuring clean slide technology and an easy empty dirt tank, maintaining this machine is a breeze. Simply empty the dirt tank with the push of a button, and you're ready to tackle your next cleaning task. Plus, with swivel steering, you'll enjoy enhanced maneuverability for multi-surface cleaning and the ability to tackle hard-to-reach places with ease. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.